2 minutes, so that then you all can take it live.
There is no press conference.
No, it's not a press conference.
There is no press conference.
It's only a bite, making a statement.
Small statement. Friends, the Union Cabinet met today, observed silence for 2 minutes in the memory of Sri Gopinath Rao Munde, passed a resolution condoling the death of our colleague Sri Gopinath Rao, and it was decided to observe national mourning today. Tomorrow, the cremation will take place in his native place with full state honours. The body is flown to Mumbai, the state headquarters, and tomorrow morning it will be taken to Latur and from there to his village. The Union Home Minister and Party President.
तो आपने अभी भी सुना, वेंकैया नायडू ये बता रहे थे कि केंद्रीय कैबिनेट ने, केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल ने 2 मिनट का साइलेंस आज रखा और उसके बाद में ये भी तय हुआ है कि 1 दिन का राष्ट्रीय शोक रखा गया है और कल अंतिम संस्कार किया जाएगा बीड में गोपीनाथ मुंडे का पूरे राजकीय सम्मान के साथ। और इस वक्त आइए आपको ये भी सुना देते हैं कि कल जब, लेकिन उससे पहले वेंकैया नायडू क्या कह रही हैं सुन लेते हैं।
1 o'clock, but will adjourn after observing condolence. The swearing in of the pro tem speaker will be held in Rashtrapati Bhavan tomorrow at 10 a.m. because already summons have been issued for the convening of the Parliament. So, after that, I will be present during swearing in of the pro tem speaker. Then he will come over and then the House will assemble at 11 o'clock. The Secretary General will read the communication of the Constitution of the House received from the Electoral Commission. Afterwards, the pro tem speaker will move the condolence motion and will observe silence, and then House will be adjourned for the day. 5th of June, the oath taking of the members will commence and will go on up to late in the evening, maybe up to night depending on the availability of the members, and will continue up to 6th afternoon. And we have decided to complete the program of election of the speaker also on 6th itself in the afternoon. And on 9th, the presidential address to the joint session will take place as per the schedule, and there will be discussion on the same on 10th and 11th, and response by Honorable Prime Minister in both the House of Parliament. This is a slight change in the schedule of the session because of this tragic death of our colleague. All of the colleagues of Cabinet were all shell-shocked. We never expected this because, for your information, yesterday, and there was an informal meeting of the ministers with the Prime Minister, Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister. He was active, giving certain suggestions. And after the meeting, when we assembled for tea, he was almost talking to everyone. And he came to me and said, I have a request that I may be permitted to come half an hour late for the oath taking. I said, why are you saying this? No, sir, you are Parliament Affairs Minister.
तो वेंकैया नायडू अभी भी बता रहे थे कि 4 जून को प्रोटेम स्पीकर कमलनाथ को शपथ दिलाई जाएगी, जिसके बाद गोपीनाथ मुंडे को के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त की जाएगी और उसके बाद 5 जून को जो सांसद हैं वो सारे शपथ लेंगे, जो 6 जून तक चलेगा। तो कुछ कार्यक्रम में बदलाव है और गोपीनाथ मुंडे का जहां तक सवाल है तो उनके प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करने के लिए देश में एक दिन का राष्ट्रीय शोक है। और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री ने यह ट्वीट किया है कि 2 दिन का शोक वहां पर ऑब्जर्व किया जा रहा है।